Hi, this is Zach Meir from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some single stocks on Friday, the 7th of October. Starting off with Anglo American, and it's onwards and upwards here, largely on the basis of presumably the dollar earning capability of this company. Rising trend channel there from as long ago as January, in the top of the channel, currently heading towards as high as £12. That target valid while there's no end of day close back below the 10-day moving average, currently at £9.74. RSI at 70, so hopefully any dips towards the £10 area would be regarded as buying opportunities. Interesting with the fall of sterling overnight to see what the next move on the house builders is, the foreign buyers, etc. Looks as though we failed again for Barratt Developments at 200-day moving average, and also the top of this trend channel from April, heading towards around the 350 mark. Confirmation of a breakdown here, probably an end of day close back below the 50-day moving average of £4.73, although aggressive traders will already be going short on any strength towards £5 and the 200-day line at 5.21. On to a smaller stock here, Enquest. Interesting at the moment that we've got this gap to the upside through the 50 and 200-day, sorry, the 10 and 50-day moving averages, bouncing off the 200-day moving average. So this looks very strong indeed. We also had a similar gap through the 50-day moving average in March, which led to a large rally. Situation now is that we're looking for progress while we're above the 50-day moving average at 26.94 pence. Target here at this stage towards 40 to 45 pence. Which is the top of the rising March trend channel. In fact, that line heading towards 46 pence as we speak. On to another rise of today, Evraz, where we've got break to the upside, V-shaped bull flag above resistance, so very strong configuration here. Question is how far the stock can fly. Looking towards a target, quite ambitious sounding target, I suppose, towards the £3 level. We can get that now. So basically hitting that March resistance line projection over the next couple of months, and that target valid while there's no end of day close back below the 10-day moving average is a trading stop at 195. Any dips towards the 10-day line currently regarded as buying opportunities. Former resistance around 177 from August should kick in as support. One of the big movers this week has been Ithaca Energy on the shale gas situation. Here we've got a decent break to the upside with a rising trend channel that you can draw from April. Top of the channel heading towards 95 pence, and that's expected to be hit over the next 2 to 4 weeks, especially while there's no break back below the old 76 pence July resistance. On to one of the minnows today, top mover on the LSE. Interesting that we had the breakthrough the 200-day moving average at 0.16 pence earlier in the week. Looks like a bull flag is forming here, so probably a retest at least of the 1 pence area to come while we hold above 0.4 to 0.5 pence notional support. Finishing off with Pearson, and here we've got recovery in the air with this gap through the 10 and 20-day moving averages to start October, and heading towards the initial target here, that 50 and 200-day moving average is 833. Above that, we'll be looking for a more full-blooded recovery, possibly back towards the 950 to £10 zone. The situation now is probably 950 would be the top of this falling June trend channel, so that makes for a decent target if we can clear the 833 pence notional resistance. That's it for me. More updates at the same time on Monday.